Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Maritza. For those of you who already know me, for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. I have right here next to me my granddaughter, Surielis.
As you saw me from the previous video that I did her makeup, go check it out. It's in the link in the description.
So today I'm going to be talking to you about our Grace box. It looks like that.
Yeah, and it has very good things in there. Only 3 packages.
And for those of you who don't know what Grace is, it says here, I'm going to read to you from my phone about Grace. We believe the healthy choice shouldn't be a compromise on taste. We found that using the best ingredients nature has to offer makes the best snacks. And we've got over 100 delicious, wholesome creations for you to look forward to. Okay, now, how does Grace work? Imagine having taste experts on hand to select snacks for you. With a Grace subscription, you do exactly that. All you have to do is tell us what you like, and we'll tailor the flavors of each box to suit you. And then it says, I'm going to tell you a little bit more how it works. Create your account, tell us what you like, we personalize your box, and deliver it free to your work or home. Step 3 is give us your verdict. We'll use your feedback to come up with new ideas. Then step 4 is stock up on your favorites. Find more of the snacks you love on the Grace online app. And then there's 3 ways. You could try Grace in a subscription, discover new flavors, and enjoy healthier choices on a regular basis with personalized Grace boxes delivered to your door. You could browse the Grace shop, stock up on your favorite Grace snacks with your pick over 200 delicious creations in multi-packs and sharing bags. Or you could find Grace in stores also. But there is a subscription, and it says our prices vary depending on the services and products you choose. A Grace subscription starts at $4.49 per box, or you can order the snacks you want at grace.com. Shop where products range from $2.49 up to $12.99 on average. When I used to receive Grace before, because I just reordered now from them, I had not ordered in over a year or two. I used to get my box every other month, and I used to get an $11 box. So I don't remember how many snacks I used to get. I believe it was like 4 different type. But then once you taste them, if you don't like them, well then you go on the website and you mark as like you don't want those no more, and you could pick different ones. And there's a lot of information. So all you have to do is go to Graze, it's GRAZE.com, and find out what Grace is all about. So let's go to the unboxing, and I already did open it up.
Yeah.
And when this box, it's different from what I used to get before. I used to get the snacks. This time I got the sharing bags, and it looks like this. And it says, "This way to exciting snacks. Come back and review your snacks. Your feedback is our key ingredient." Wait a minute. Okay, and take out the first one.
So this.
And you can show it to them, and then I'll read what it says. Okay, so the first bag we got says salted caramel chocolate cookie. And this is a Belgian milk chocolate and salted caramel buttons, baked salted peanuts, pumpkin seeds, Italian amaretti drops. And it says here, this has, it says calories 170, calories from fat 100, and it has zero cholesterol, 60 milligrams of sodium, carbohydrates is 4%, 9 grams of Oh, it has vitamin A, has calcium. Let me see.
And it only came with 3.
Okay, so let's open this up. 1 second. In this, like I said before, this has chocolate. And Surieli loves chocolate.
Yeah, I love it.
She wants to try.
It's this kind of chocolate thing.
And there's also peanuts in there, so salty and sweet. It makes like the perfect combination. And like I said, these are salty caramel chocolate cookies. Give me another one.
It's actually pretty good, guys. Cheesecake.
Okay, these are not cheesecake. Okay, here it says dark chocolate cherry tart. And it says the ingredients are Belgian dark chocolate buttons, cocoa mass, sugar, cocoa butter, soy lecithin. I just butchered that. Natural vanilla flavoring, almond cherries, dry cherries, apple juice concentrate, sunflower oil. Contains almonds and soy. And then it says on the contain packed in a facility that processes tree nuts, peanuts, milk, wheat, egg, and soy. May contain fruit pits and nutshells. And that's what that looks like. And I love almonds, and I know Surieli wants to try these also.
Well,
She can't have too much snack because she's gonna have dinner in a little bit, but she could taste.
yeah, I could taste.
What do you want to taste? The chocolate again? Because I know you love
The
chocolate.
nut. The nut.
And the almond. And I want a chocolate.
Oh.
The other ones were like cookies.
Mm-hmm.
But this is like, it tastes like the Lady Godiva's, the solid chocolate. Oh, it tastes good. Just like that. And I love almonds, and it has a lot of almonds inside.
And guys, it's the same shake as the other one.
And this is dark chocolate cherry tart. Let me have the other one. You also get points and rewards.
This one is cheesecake.
You also get points and rewards. So since I had not ordered in quite some time, they sent me an email that my rewards were going to expire because of the new year, and I had not used them. And I had forgot all about them. So I decided to go back on the website, and I actually paid for all 3 bags, including the shipping and everything. I paid like $6 because I had a discount. I used one of my rewards. And so these actually cost, I believe, $3.99 each. And because I used one of my one of my rewards, they came out to $2 each, and that included shipping and everything. And that's what these look like. And this is white chocolate raspberry cheesecake. These are good for like when you're working all day and you don't get time to have lunch. And
yeah, because they're snacks.
These snacks are like very energizing. That's what you say. And these have like white. I don't know if that's some chocolate.
Oh, this is like white chocolate, but with sprinkles on.
And there's like a little cookie.
Yeah, cookie.
I'm gonna let her try it. And then This is probably the raspberry.
Yeah, let me get one also.
Mm-hmm. That's the raspberry. Mm. That's the cheesecake.
Oh, this is actually chocolate.
They're so good. Believe me, they are very good. So, $6 for all 3 bags, or they're actually $3.99, I believe. So
that's all for the video, guys.
I'm gonna see if I have a link, and I'll put it in the description box so that you guys could sign up or go check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.